Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. Today I want to show you this awesome retractable 3/8 hose reel that I got that mounts right to the side of your building, and this thing works great at winding your hose back up and making it really easy to store it away. This hose reel comes in 42 foot, 50 foot, or 80 foot lengths. In my case, I got the 80 foot because I'm trying to stretch it out to my carport where I work on my vehicles at. If you like videos like this, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but really helps me out a lot and helps me keep making these videos. I have wooden walls, so I was able to screw it directly into the wood and it held just fine. But it does come with anchors for concrete or other types of walls that you may need to attach this to. As you can see here, I mounted it with a supplied screw straight to my wall, and then I was able to slide the reel right down onto it, and it's installed. It's done. What I found that I love about this reel, it has an automatic rewind feature with an amazing side-to-side guide. As you can see here, when you're letting the hose back in, it moves side to side, helping wind that hose evenly across that reel. This is going to be a game changer for me keeping my hoses neat and secure and out of the way. If you're interested in getting one of these, go ahead and click that link down in the description and get yourself one.